Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How you guys doing? Okay. So let's get straight to charting. You got about 6 minutes. Nothing to trade here. We're on YM. Let's see what we got. What can I see? What can my sniper vision see? So we're gonna remove that. Okay. What's up, gamer? Good morning, Jerry. Okay, so let me go to the 1 hour instead. Let me zoom in. So we're trading at 38,913. 38,913. It's a little bit tricky here. Where can I find some support? So I guess right here, this area, this area. So this whole area right here, I would say like right about this is like support. Morning, guys. We're doing some morning analysis before we start our trading day. So right here we are at a support though. We're being supported right here. So price came, bounced off. Let's go. Let's magnify on the 15-minute. Got supported, came, broke out, retest, support. Now we're chopping around this range. Go back to the 5-minute. Same thing. Okay. Let's turn that on. Let's zoom in. So this is pre-market support right here again. All of this. Okay. Okay. We got about 4 minutes. Okay, what else can I see? Let's go back to the 15. Always do your morning analysis, guys. So we broke out here, but we're coming right back. So we're just chopping around in that range, close to the daily 200 as well. I mean, let me take a look at that. Well, I mean, on YM we are at the 200, so probably for MES, yeah, we're right there. That's why I was not surprised that we bounced off. What's up, Mark? What's up, Rob? That's why I'm not surprised that we bounced off on MES on the 200. Obviously, we're gonna use that as some form of support. It's bro, it's way too obvious. It's a 200 EMA on the daily, and bro, doesn't get any more obvious than that. So this right here is what saved us, to be honest. So we'll see if we break through it again. MNQ looking like? We're still below it. Yeah, the Nasdaq sold off disgustingly. So, I wouldn't be surprised if we try to rally back. I really wouldn't. I'm pretty sure that the market's gonna try to rally back unless Iran starts bombing the shit out of Israel. Then that's a different story. Then we're gonna just keep plummeting down. But not to say that we found the bottom, because I don't think we found the bottom, to be honest. But I think we have enough pain for now until we get painful again. What's up, guys? Thank you for coming in. So same thing on the Russell. Okay. All right, let's go back to my handy dandy MYM. Let's go back to dissecting it. Okay, we are at support and we're about to open on market. So let's see if YM does the repeating pattern of popping at market open. Just a few seconds ago. Every single morning, YM pops to the downside or to the upside. So it's just a repeating pattern of it. And it looks like we did break pre-market support, but this whole area is an area of support. It's not nothing specific, but technically we did break pre-market support right here. So maybe we can see a flush down. But since it's so far gone, obviously, I'm not gonna play that. I'm not gonna play that at all. So we're gonna do the same thing again, as yesterday. I'm not trying to be in the market for too long. I spend a lot of time in the market already at nighttime at my job, just studying. So an hour max in the morning. That's all I'm looking for. That's all I'm looking for. Just a small move, 1.5, 2 to 1. Let's bring that up right there. So we got market open, selling off. As usual, YM is popping, but it's to the downside. But this move already happened up here at 8:15, so nothing to trade there. So we have nothing there. Let's take a look at MES. Same thing. Looks like it's gonna be one of those mornings that, damn, the Russell gave that candle of death. See, McHugh. Chopping around on this range. You see, you could have possible upside momentum on MNQ to go along. You can probably go from here to here. Just a quick scalp like that, and you can be done. So it looks like on the other tickers, there's not, well, not on the other tickers, on all tickers, the four that we trade, MNQ, M2K, MES, MYM, it's gonna be one of those mornings that you're just gonna have to wait. You're gonna have to wait for your setup, and it's gonna be a while, and it's gonna be long and boring. And you just wait for your setup. That's all you can do. Don't try to force nothing, nothing at all. I think we can all conclude to, well, except for MNQ. MNQ moves fast. This can easily just break here, come up right there, and then that's it. Exactly like that. And then scalp it to the 200. It's probably gonna go to the 200. There you go. there's that scalp that I was telling you from here to there, and then just be out. With MNQ, you can move fast, but I'm not trading MNQ right now. I'm just trading MYM. All right, so let's go back to the Dow Jones. So we got a fat wick right there to the upside. Like I said, I'm not afraid to counter trend trade, not at all. I just don't expect too much out of it. Just, if I'm counter trend 1.5, I am not expecting a 2 to 1. Absolutely not. I really don't recommend you guys to trade counter trend unless you know what you're doing. Um, if you know what you're doing, if you know how to trade counter trend, I mean, sure, you can go ahead and do it. But if you're a beginner, I honestly don't recommend it. I think you should just stick to trading with the trend and wait for a short um setup. But I'm not trying to be here all day. So if you get some price strength, I can capture a move to one of these EMAs and just be out of there, get it 101. Here, what's up, bro? Appreciate it, dude. How do you say your name? Adnied, right? Are you Cuban? I feel like you're Cuban. That name just screams Cuban. Wait, you're not my barber, are you? No, you're not. Because my barber has a very similar name as you. And I just texted him to get a haircut tomorrow. So in that little picture, it looks like you kind of look like him. I'm not even gonna lie. But thank you, though. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Puerto Rican? Okay. Close. I just needed to go a little bit east to get to Puerto Rico. A little bit east. But yeah, well, you're an insurance broker. Okay, you're not a barber. Well, welcome aboard. I hope I can teach you something. I'm still a beginner, but well, I'm not a beginner. I've been at this for 3 years. So I'm like a moderate intermediate trader. Need trading buddies. Oh, absolutely, bro. Yeah, my social medias, they're uh on my YouTube bio page for my social medias. I don't mind having trading buddies. I mean, everybody here that's on live, but we're all buddies. We're all buddies here. Just trying to help each other out as a community and keep getting better as a trader. That's the whole point of me having this YouTube channel is to grow together and also to share my experiences in trading to show that, you can be a profitable trader. I've come a very long way. If you look how was camp? Oh, I have trade camp on Friday. So I'll let you guys know when I go to trade camp on Friday. I'm coming there with open minds. I know a lot. What's up, Cody? Good morning. I know a lot of people that go to trade camp. They're pretty much beginners to, um, advance their trading knowledge. But I mean, I put in so many fucking hours. I mean, like I said, I'm coming in with an open mind. All right, so obviously we're getting supported right here. Hey, Jesse. Good morning. Thanks for tuning in and coming in. So we got price action supporting here off of the support level that I drew. Big candle wick. That's why knowing price action is very important. You just have to know, you know, the wicks on the candles, they're very important and they tell a lot of story. This long wick right here on the bottom, that's a lot of buying pressure. Where's your trade camp going to be at? My trade camp's going to be in Orlando. What questions do you want to ask them with the exception of coke and hookers? Um, well, I want to ask them how do I add to my winners appropriately because I always wanna you always want to gain more than you lose. But we'll see if he can answer that because that's a more advanced type of strategy, and I don't know if he's gonna show that. I don't know if he's gonna show that yet. Um, let me see here. What else? I'll probably have some questions when I get there, but I mean, I already know the basics. Obviously, you guys watch me trade, and clearly, you see that I'm profitable. Um, um, Trade camp was great. Nice. How was your experience, Chris? Um, well, while we're waiting for Chris, I mean, obviously, I already know the basics of you know how price action moves. About the EMAs, separation, graded, tie in Excel. It's an indicator because obviously look at price action. It respects tie in Excel. So it's a true indicator. RSI above moving average. I got that. Then you have super trend. You can use super trend as levels. So, I mean, I already know the basics, but as far as questions I want to ask, I'll think about it when I'm closer, probably Thursday, or when I drive over there. Because I live close by. I live close by. Been green, been green every day since camp 2 weeks ago. Nice, dude. Good for you. Good for you, dude. I'm happy for you, dude. I'm very glad that you're advancing as a trader. Not to be off subject, but I add you on IG. Oh, for sure. I'll add you back obviously, when I'm done here trading. Um, but that's great news, Chris. That's great news. I can't wait for my results after trade camp because I mean obviously I'm already without trade camp I'm already profitable. I'm a 1.5 trader based on my trade zealous stats. So just adding more education and information is gonna put my exponential learning curve higher. So I'm excited about that. You already made more than the cam cost? Great. That's very good. That's very good, dude. That's very good. I'm happy for you. So let's take a look at super trend. Obviously, it's probably still red. Okay. So we have a super trend level right there. Let me just highlight that like just like that, and we're gonna switch it back to the EMAs. It aligns close enough to the 48 EMA. So okay. So we're getting rejection off of XL, the 13 and a level right here. We could come back down. But I'm gonna wait. I don't want to. Let me see here. I don't think I want to go short, even though it is with the trend. Even though going short is with the trend, but I don't really like it. If XL was like right here and price action bounced off the EMA and crossed XL, then I would probably want to take this trade. Um, but for now, no. I don't think this is a good setup. I would much rather have a break of like the 13 or the 24 maybe, and then probably try to go to super trend up here. Just a small scalp, 101, 1.5, and that's it. Like I said, I'm not trying to be here all day with you guys. I love you guys, but I'm not trying to be here all day. I just want to, get in, get out, be very efficient with my time. and start getting some of my time back. So we have nothing here. I know a lot of you guys trade MES. Let's take a look at MES. Hard rejection off the EMAs. Hard rejection off the EMAs. I'm pretty sure that a lot of you guys didn't take this trade. I'm pretty positive about that. What's up, Fat Mac? I'm pretty sure that you guys didn't take this trade. Because usually you guys wait for new trade designs. So still nothing to trade there. Go to M2K on the Russell. It already made its move. Did M&Q ever pass the 200? No, it got rejected right off of that shit. See, something like this is a better trade design. When I mean like price rejecting off the EMAs and crossing XL, that's a better trade design. Way better. And then come right down and just be out of there. I really don't recommend playing M&Q unless you can absorb that big impact, because just one M&Q, dude, you're looking at just this candle right here. You're looking at like 200 ticks or something like that. That's ridiculous. 531 ticks. That's a fucking lot. Just took M&Q shirt make except for Mark. Mark that loves playing M&Q, dude. Mark is a fast trader. I use a 1348, but see some use super trend. When you have a one, can you explain best way to use super trend? I like EMAs for support and resistance. Um, just super trends. So the way I view super trend is obviously is to look at the trends. Obviously, it and it helps you avoid fake outs. For example, right here to go long, like I said, because the 48 was right here, and when the stream started, um, I'm hold on, taking a look at YM here. Hold on, give me a second. Let me put an alert. I'm gonna put an alert like I'll put an alert right here above this candle, just right there. Well, matter of fact, why am I gonna put an alert? I'll just explain to you what super trend is right here on YM. So super trend, obviously, it helps you from um. Oh, actually, no. I have to do it on M&Q. Sorry, I have to, because the point of the explanation was how to use super trend. Hold up though. Give me a second. Hold on, Rob. I'm trying. I don't want to miss my opportunity. Let me put an alert here, and let me put an alert right there. Okay. All right. I got two alerts up. All right, real quick, Rob. So Super Chen, it prevents you from making stupid mistakes. Um, it helps you stay with trend. For example, here, like I said in the beginning of the stream, from the break of the 48 to the 200, you could have took that. But Super Chen would have saved you from obviously preventing you to do a bad trade. The point is to align a red super trend with the red candles, obviously, and then the green super trend with the green candles, obviously. Um, you don't have to respect it to a T, because it's just like it works just like any other indicator. You have to take it with a grain of salt, but it could be used as a level. So say, for example, trend is red. Super trend is red. Okay, I got an alert. Super trend is red. But price action is above EMAs. You take a position on on the ticker that you're trading and ride it to the top of super trend and get out just like that. I don't know if that helps. I can probably go more into depth, more in depth. So let's see if we can use super trend right here. So, and we're gonna try to target the top of super trend right there. And let's see here. Let's see. This is a 1.15. That's all, 1 to 1, 1.15. That's all I'm looking for. We're gonna leave it right there. This is gonna be our trade design. So we're gonna use super trend as an example right now. Super trend as a level right here. We're gonna do a trade design up to super trend and get out right there. So I got a 1.15 right there. Let's see what we got. Not risking too much. I'm going counter trend, so I'm not expecting too much on this move. I'm really not. I'm really not expecting too much. I'm just looking for a 101, 1.15, and that's it. So Rob, this trade is for you. This trade right here is for you. So we're gonna, you know, start cutting risk right here. Cut risk even more. We're gonna target the top of super trends. We're gonna leave it right there. So now, since I cut my risk, this is a 1.5. Zell me? You mean you zell me because I'm teaching you right now how to use super trend as a level. So this is a 1.59 right here, and that's it. that's all. That's all I'm looking for. A 101, 1.5. Get in, get out. Get in, get out. Get in, get out. What you mean, Zell you? You Zell me. I just taught you how to use super trend, dude. You can use look how price action reacted to super trend. You can use it as a trade design. So for example, so super trend is right there. Super trend is right there. We're gonna highlight that right there. Sure, I can, I could ride this play up to this level, but I know super trend is a level and we're just gonna go up levels and I already got a 1.5. Why am I gonna be greedy, bro? You know, I'm I'm continuing on my winning streak. So, um, okay. So look, we have the EMAs right here. If price action, would break above the 48 right here, and say, for example, super trend was up here. Super trend was up here, and you take a position above the EMAs. So you have your candles green. You're above the 48 EMA, but if super trend is telling you red, that doesn't necessarily mean don't take the trade. You can take the trade up to super trend, use that as a level, or you can probably put your take profit just a little bit under super trend, so you can get that, and then just make a trade design like that, measure it up to super trend, and then measure down your stop loss, and then create a little trade design. 1.5, 2 to 1. That's it. That's all you're looking for. That's all you're looking for. And then that's how you use it. Just because super trend is red doesn't necessarily mean you have to wait for it to turn green. You don't have to. You can, because you have your other confluences EMAs. You have your RSI well above 50, and you have your MACD cross, and you have price action above the 48 EMA. You have already three confluences there to enter a trade, and then you enter that trade, and then you ride it up to super trend to the top of that level and just get out, and that's it. Well, see, that's it. That's it. I'm already done for a day. That's all I was looking for, baby. I'm not looking for too much. Sure, I could keep riding the momentum up. I could have kept riding it up, but I'm at a point. Um, I'm at a point right now in my trading career. I'm way past I'm 3 years trading, but the amount of hours that I put in so far the past 2 months, I've in 2 months, I probably put in like 6 months worth of studying in just 2 months. I'm way past, I'm like three years and a half mark. Um, I'm at a point where I care about my time and I'm not trying to be here all day. And if you look at my previous streams, what's up, DC fan? If you look at my previous streams, they were super long. Like from 2 months ago, my previous streams they were super long. Just being in the charts like for like 3 hours plus in the morning, and just I guess just wasting time. I'm starting to see that it's just all about being efficient, bro. I'm just trying to get a 1 to 1, 1.5, 2 to 1 max. I'll aim for a 2 to 1 if we're going with trend. If we're going counter trend, 1 to 1, 1.5 is more than good enough. That's all you really need. And then just stack those wins every single day. Just, by not expecting much, you'll win so much more. And then you just stack those wins every single day, and then you'll have winning days majority of the time. I'm on a winning streak again. Uh, and I'm just at a point where I just don't really care about fucking big ass moves. I'm just looking to get my little small gains and just be out of there. And sure, I know um the undercapitalization as a trader, like, oh, like, damn, but I could have wrote it up here and then I could have got so much more on my port. I get it. I get it. I understand that. And I wish I had a bigger port too to trade, but I accepted the reality that I'm in, and I accepted that trading it's not gonna save me, bro. It's not. I mean, it is in the future, but right now it's not. So I'm okay with capturing small wins and just fucking be done. Randy, I only get small gains or I lose the trade. Makes no sense. With small gain losers, with small gain losers are bigger than with small gains losers are bigger than winners. Oh yeah, obviously small gains, I mean obviously that's why you have your risk to reward right here. That's why every time you trade, you always come here and make a long position and do your risk reward. Always aim for a 1.5 and then have your risk appropriately. Um, and as long as that win rate percentage is high, then you in the long run you're gonna be fine. You just have to know, that's when putting hours of time in the charts. That's when you start to get market intuition. Like here on this candle, I have market intuition, knowing that I this candle is gaining strength, so I'm gonna get in on it. I don't even get 1 hour in trades. Um, well, how long have you been trading, dude? How long have you been trading? And how much hours a day do you study? That's a very important question. Because dude, to be honest with you, like, I'm lucky, I'm blessed. I quit my job to get more active in trading, but I got a job at nighttime where I don't do shit. So I put in a total of like, I would have to say minimum about 8 hours a day of studying. It's pretty fucking crazy, I know, but I wanted this really bad. But if I was back in my 9 to 5, I'll still put in 3 hours a day. That's fine. 2.5 years nonstop, bro. You're almost there. You're almost there. I was literally in your position 2.5, bro. I was in your position like 5 months ago, and then now I'm a consistent trader. I mean, I'm not putting spectacular numbers, but I'm a consistent trader. Um, because in a span of 5 months, I fucking went crazy. I went obsessive like a fucking crackhead. And then the past 2 months, I went even crazier. Bro, I just like last month, I would put in I think like 2 weeks ago I said 200, but now in total, so in total of July, it was like 300 hours of just studying. Um, what would you do if you had to start all over again, bro? What would I do? I would paper trade, bro. I've lost so much money trading, bro. So much money, bro. I'm pretty sure, like I'm at like between like the 3 years, I'm down like 30 grand or 35 grand, something like that. Which is in the aspect of trading, it's not that much, but for a regular person like me, that's a lot, dude. And I would paper trade, but if it wasn't for the losses, the huge losses that I've got, it wouldn't have made me the trader that I am today. Now I'm appreciative. I appreciate the trades that I take and the small gains that I win because I notice now, because we have that squirrel brain at the back of our head that we want to succeed really, really fast. And with trading, that's not going to happen. Trading brings out the worst in you. It's all psychological. The whole trading aspect is one big brain. The stronger you are mentally, the better you will be in trading. You can make any strategy. You can make you I'm pretty sure if I can go on YouTube right now and just look at a random strategy, I'll make that shit work. With enough patience. Hello, sir. I'm from India. What is the best trading or investment? Best trading? You're welcome, Rob. Best trading is momentum trading. Using momentum. RSI above 50, we got a MACD cross. Price action above the EMAs. That's the best. That's the best. But yeah, if I were to start all over, I would paper trade. But I really do think you need the big ass losses to whip you into shape. Everybody has to pay their market tuition trading. Everybody does. I don't care who you are. Everybody has to pay their market tuition. Look at Gabe. Bro, he lost in the beginning. He lost 100 grand, which is fucking crazy. He saved up 50K twice and he lost it twice, which is pretty fucking crazy. I mean, I don't want to get to that level of pain. I think me losing like 35 grand is more than enough for me to learn. No, I trade, bro. I don't invest. We're traders here, bro. We trade futures contracts. We trade YM, the Dow Jones, MES, the SPY, MNQ, the Nasdaq, M2K, the Russell. My biggest loss was AT&T. Um, Probably a year ago. AT&T was my biggest loss for 6 grand. I lost it in a week playing options. I knew AT&T like the back of my fucking hand. So every day I would make money on AT&T, and I got so cocky that I wiped out 6 grand because it was plummeting going short. So I kept adding to my short position, and then earnings came out and made it explode. And it kept exploding. So I added to my short position. You add to your losers, you get married to the trade, going counter trend. And then day by day by day, bro, I've never seen AT&T explode for fucking a month straight. And I got wiped out in a week by 6 grand. That's a lot of money for me, bro. And bro, that shit triggered my anxiety. And I'm not gonna lie, I have anxiety now. My anxiety used to be a lot worse when I didn't know I had anxiety. But trading triggered something mentally inside me to get anxiety. So I have anxiety now. It doesn't happen a lot, but it happens randomly. Um, bro, trading will fuck you up if you're not careful. Trading will fuck you up if you're not careful. But throughout all the hours of experience that I put in trading, the best answer for you guys so far is just trade small and just capture small 1.5 moves just like that. 1.5, 2 to 1, you know, price action keeps exploding. Don't even worry about it. That's not your problem. That's not your problem. Your problem is to build your port. That's your problem. But yeah, that's my whole spiel. That's my whole spiel. But Randy, I hope you get better. This no, this is not my full time. This is not my full time. Not yet, at least. Probably, I'll probably make trading full time like 2 years from now. I want a bigger port. But for now, I'm just sticking to my little job at nighttime until um I build my port. So no, this is not my full time, not yet, at least. Well, let me rephrase that. I am a full time trader because I put full time hours in studying. But as a living, no, it's not. But I'm trying to, eventually, be a full-time trader, grow this page, grow this YouTube page, grow the community, my own community, bro, and just help people, bro. I really think, I really want to give power back to the people, and try to simplify trading as much as possible, even though trading is very simple but complicated at the same time. Um, yeah, you know, and just help people. But all right, that pretty much sums up our trading day. Got my small little win and be out of there. Well, good luck, guys. Let me see what did MES end up doing. Did it end up popping? Yes, it did. I hope you guys captured that move. Well, probably you guys are waiting for the break of the 200. Am I right? Pretty sure you guys are waiting for the break of the 200. So obviously you guys should be in this trade by now because you wait for the big candle break, you wait for the second candle, you enter on the third candle, and then you ride it up to this level if it can go up to this level. Because I'm pretty sure that's how you guys are waiting for breaks to the 200. I kind of don't have to wait for that anymore. Because I'm comfortable with how I trade. So for more beginner people, I highly suggest that you should wait for, you know, don't trade like me and just wait for the break of the 200. Big break, watch the second candle, enter the third, write it up to this level, be out. Ford, I don't believe in 90% of this YouTube channels. I appreciate you. I don't believe in 95% of these YouTube channels either, bro. I really don't. I really don't. But I mean, I mean, when I get bigger, people are gonna be like, "Oh, this guy is a fake trader, bro." Oh, yeah, right, bro. You go look at my page and look when I was trading in my car. In my car. It doesn't get any more real than this, bro. I was trading in my car and I killed my car battery because I was charging my laptop while I was trading. I'm like super transparent, bro. Um, but yeah, I mean, a lot of people, a lot of fucking pages here. They're like fucking scamming people up the ass, and I'm not with that shit, bro. I have a fucking good conscience, bro. I'm just trying to help people out. All right, y'all. Thank you guys for joining. I'm gonna be out of here. I don't want to spend too much time um in these charts. Oh, see, look, rode up to the level. I hope you guys got paid because I know you guys trade MES. I don't trade MES anymore, but hope you guys got paid. All right, y'all. I'll see you guys tomorrow again. Wait, right tomorrow? Yeah, yeah. I have a haircut at 11 tomorrow, so I can trade tomorrow. Yeah, bro. There is no if, bro. There is no brief. All right, gamer. Peace out. All right, guys. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.